So good afternoon everybody. Let us start the discussion of today's exam OSSC CHSL. First question. The purchase price of an article is 20% less than the profit made. So what would be the profit if the selling price is 360? That is a ratio is given. So analyze from the ratio. Purchase price means cost price. 20% less means 80%. So I can say cost price is by profit 4 by 5. 20% less means 80%. That means cost price जदि 4 part हबो ताले profit of part. हम जानते हैं cost price रे the profit मिसी जीवो. So that become the selling price. ताले कोई पारे पे 9 part. ताले 9 part जदि हमु दिहाई ची किते 360. तो 9 part जदि 360 ताले 1 part value कितना होता ले 1 part value of 4. The 1 part value of 4. पचार जी क्वेश्चन कौन? If the selling price 360, then what is the profit? Profit is 5 part. So 5 part equal to it is 40. So 5 part equal to 200. So this is the answer. That's the option is C is the answer. Next question is question number 2. Three pipes P1, P2, P3 can fill a tank in 50 minutes, 120 minutes, 60 minutes. LCM ले जाओ. So P1 50 minutes, P2 120 minutes, and P3 60 minutes. LCM is 300. 56 are not 300. 600. LCM 600. तो P1 efficiency कितना हो 12. P2 efficiency वाला 5. P3 efficiency वाला 10. Question is, if all the pipes are opened together, how much time will take to fill 27% of the tank? So together they will fill in 1, that is minute. How much liter? 12 plus 5, 17 plus 10, 27 liters. If 27 liter 1 minute रे ताले 600 liter रो 27% of the tank will fill. ताले 600 liter रो 27% means 27 by 100. 100 cancel. That means 27 into 6 liter को fill up करेगा time नेवे 27 into 6 by 27. So answer is coming 6 minutes. So 6 minute option. Second option is the answer. Next question number 3. A group of 5 men or 12 women can do a task in 78 days. Theta efficiency equal. So I can say 5 men, it is equal to 12 women. So men by women ratio, that becomes 12 by 5. And together they can take 78 days. So amount of work कितना होता है? तो work amount equal to 12 plus 5 पहला 17. तो 17 into 78. So ये काम किए सारी वे how many time required by 5 men and means plus 12 women. So 5 men कितना काम करेंगे 12 into 5 60 work plus and 12 women कितना काम करेंगे again 12 into 5 60. तो 60 plus 60 5 men करेंगे that is 12 into 5 and also 5 women करेंगे that is also 12 into 5 right. तो 60 plus 60 that become 120. Some decimal as per तो 17 into 78 5 men or 12 women, that is 12 by 5. 70 टा काम करेंगे. So 70 into 78, right? How much time required 5 men and 12 women? So 17 into 78 by 60 plus 60, 120. So approximate division, how much coming it is? 17 into 78. तेरह सौ 26 बाय 120. तो 12 डिवाइड कर ले, that is 11 point something is coming, but answer is not there. Five men equal to 12 women, right? So 5 men by women, so that is equal to 12 by 5. Amount of work 12 plus 5, 17. Work completed in 78 days, right? Oh, sorry. Any one group can do this work 78 days. So amount of work will be different. So any one group can finish the work in 70 days. That means 5 men. If they are finishing in 70 days, so 1 man in 12, 12 into 5, 60. So 60 into 78. So answer is coming 120. That is 60 plus 60. That become 120. So total will be 60 by 2 and 2 divide 78 with 39 days. So option is coming option. Next question. Number 4. A train running at 120 km per hour crosses a pole in 9 seconds. So what is the length of the train? Length means distance. And then say distance equal to speed into time. And unit focus kariba. So distance equal to speed into time. So speed is given. So speed is 120 km per hour. into मीटर कन्वर्ट करिबा 5 by 18 into time है लगते in 9 seconds. So after cancellation 9 2s are 260 are 16 to 5 that become 300 meter. So right answer is coming option C. Next question number 5. A mixture contains milk and water in the ratio 5:9 when 5 liters of milk is to water thila 5:9. When 5 liters of water is added, water 5 liters addition karagala, then ratio becomes 5:11. समझाने यदि water addition constant also constant अच्छी, so 5:11. Now how much part of water is added? So 9 part thila वतन 11 part है, that means 2 part increase है, so 2 part value वाला कहते हैं 5 liters. 2 part यदि 5 liters तो 1 part कहता हो 2.5 liters. Question is what is the quantity of milk the initial mixture? So initial mixture is 5 part milk, so 5 part value कहता हो 5 into 2.5 that become 25 50 125 12.5 liters. Answer option is D is the answer. Next question number 6. In an election between two candidates, one got 55% of the total valid votes, 20% of the votes were invalid. तो हम सही नहीं पाइबा को and given data कौन दिया? The amount is given, that is 7,500 is the pooled votes is given. So suppose pooling votes is 100 ले जाओ, suppose 100. 2 part divide वाला, one part is one candidate got 55% of the total valid votes and 20% of votes were invalid. Is 100 vote वाला, that is pooling vote, ताले 20 vote that is invalid वाला, 80 vote that is valid वाला. And out of 80 55% पाउची फर्स्ट पर्सन जब ये पाइबो 55% दैट मींस विनिंग कैंडिडेट एंड दैट विल लूजिंग कैंडिडेट तो 80 रो 55% से पाइबो 45% एंड दैट मींस तो 55% ऑफ 80 केता हो ना 44 एंड 45% इक्वल टू 36. तो क्वेश्चन इज what is the number of valid votes in favor of the other candidates? So 36 part value पचास केते 1 part value पाई जवा 100 part value दिया ही 100 part जदि 7500 ताल 1 part value केता हो 1 part equal to 75 and 36 part पचास 36 into 75 27 answer. तो option is coming 2700. Next question, number 7. The speed of a boat upstream is 20 km per hour. Upstream माने हम जानते हैं speed of boat and speed of river. The speed of boat of A speed of boat is upstream is 20 km per hour. So हम जानते हैं speed of boat suppose A हबो and speed of river जदि B हबो ताले A plus B is given 20 km per hour. If the speed of stream is 3 km per hour ताले speed of upstream दिया है. That's why this should be A minus B. A plus B हबो downstream speed तो upstream speed हबो that is A minus B. तो A minus B is given and also A minus B is given 20 and speed of stream is 3. If B जदि 3 हबो ताले what is the speed of the boat in downstream ताले एक ताऊ ताले A है जिबो 23 and downstream speed A plus B 50. So 23 plus 3 that become 26 is the answer. 26 km per hour. The option is first option. Next question number 8. The selling price of 5 shares is equal to cost price of 3 shares. The selling price of 5 shares that is equal to cost price of 3 shares. So ratio कौन है जीवो ना selling price by cost price. So that become 3 by 5. So selling price less अच्छी, cost price more अच्छी. So that is a loss. Loss कितना amount अच्छी 2 and loss percentage कितना वो 2 out of 5 into 100 520 jar. The answer is coming 40% is the loss. So option is 40% loss. The option is first option. A is the answer. Next question number 9. So number 9. P and Q invest in a business in the ratio 3:2. If 5% of the total profit goes to charity, the investment ratio is given. Investment ratio that is equal to 3:2. 5% of total profit goes to charity and P share is 855. Then what is the total profit? तो हम कोई परिया जदि investment ratio 3:2 जदि 5% charity को जीवनी जदि इटा 100% हबो ताले ये पाइबो P पाइबो 3 part, Q पाइबो 2 part and P ର share is given how much 855 ताले कोई पाइबो 3 part जदि हला 855 ताले sum of the profit between A and B distribute is 5 part. तो 5 part कितना होता है 1 part डिवाइड कर दियो 3 काटले 3 जने 6 7 8 3 अष्टान 24 1 25 3 पंजा 15. तो 1 part जदि 285 ताले 5 part वैल्यू कितना हो 285 into 5 5 पंजा 25 5 अष्टान 40 2 42 4 5 10 4 14. ताले जदि किंतु that is 5% charity वाला परे this is the amount ताले मैं यदि 5% पड़े जाइए and distribute वाला 1425 among A and B तो that is 95% of total profit. So I can say 95% of total profit यदि वाला 1425 ताले total profit is 5%. तो 5% would be 1425 by 95 into 100. This is more than that is 1425. So after cancellation, so this will be 15,000. Option C. Next question, number 10. Two numbers respectively 20%, 50% more than third number. Suppose first number is A, first number is A, second number is B, and third number is C. If third number is 100 part, then two numbers 20%, 50% more, this will be 120 part and this will be 150 part. Now come to question. What is the ratio of these two numbers? So 120 by 150 number, 1 0 cancel, 3 4 3 5. The answer is coming 4:5. Option is C. So next question, number 11. A triangle and a parallelogram are constructed on the same base so that their areas are equal. Parallelogram and that is triangle. तो हम जानते ये सब equal area आबो ताले area of individuals first पकड़ते parallelogram and समान कौन दीची if the altitude of the parallelogram and height is equal 50 cm. So the altitude is 50 cm for that is for parallelogram, then what will the altitude of the triangle? Dita area saman kar diyo. तो parallelogram real base into height. तो base हम जब equal base हो, let's suppose B वाला base. तो base into height जब 50 cm, तो base into 50 that is called area of the triangle half into same base B into its height. Then height पचाची तो base cancel हो ताले 50 को 2 रे multiply कर देवी you can get the height of the triangle. That's a height equal to 100 cm. The option is coming. Second option B is answer. Next question number 12. Traveling at 1/6 of his usual speed, a man led by 30 minutes. So what will the usual time taken by the man to cover the same distance? So it आपको क्या proportionality तो हम जानिए यदि distance constant अच्छी, if distance is constant, ताले speed is inversely varies to time. So it distance constant, जो distance को that is one part रे cover करची, the 6 part initially 6 part रे cover करतला, but then same distance को 1 part रे cover करची. So distance is constant. The distance constant of speed of inversely varies to time. So speed ratio दिया है हमको. The speed ratio ला that is 1/6. ये ला original speed 6 part, but then 1 part रे ताले time होगा reverse that is called 6:1. So कितने time अधिका नोची ना 5 part difference ला 5 part. तो 5 part value कितने दीची 30 minutes more नोची तो 5 part value वाला 30. तो 1 part value कितना हो 6. So 89 original time तो 1 part value equal to 6 minute is the answer because ये वाला original speed corresponding time वाला original time. So original time बचरची तो 1 part वाला 6 minute. That's the option is coming already. Next question. Question number 30. A mixture containing 50% of milk is mixed with another mixture containing X% of milk in equal proportions. Means quantity alla 1:1. If the mixture is so form contains 45% of milk, then what is the value of x? That allegation poi pariba. So two different ingredients added to form a common mixture. So first one is 50%, second one milk is x%, and mixture value wala that is your 45%. Minus कर दियो. So this is cheaper, this is dearer. So minus करिबा बड़ संख्या माने सान संख्या करिबा. So this will be 45 minus x, and this will be 50 minus 45, that is 5. And this by this ratio is given 1:1. Equal quantity माने 1:1. ताले कहि परिबा 45 minus x. 45 minus x, it is equal to 5. That's why x value is equal to 40. So 40 quantity, then what is the value of x? So x is 40. The option is first option. Next question, number 14. What is the average of first 37 consecutive natural numbers? हम जानते हैं average of matrix first number plus last number by 2. तो average of matrix पकड़ दिया. तो average equal to first number means 1, last number 37 by 2. So 38 by 2, that become 19. So answer is coming 19. First option A. Next question, number 15. If the side of a equilateral triangle is doubled, then by how many times is its area increases? So again, successive pakiba percentage of successive, because equilateral triangle sides equal, and dithara badibo because area la formula √3 by 4 square. तो एरिया ऑफ इक्विलैटरल ट्रायंगल हम जानते हैं √3 by 4 square. तो √3 is a constant term. बढ़िबो के ना a side बढ़ुची केते, that is side increases by this. So I can say side increases by double. 1 थिला 2 हेगा ता means तो 1 थिला वतन 2 हेगला, again 1 थिला 2 हेगला. तो इनिशियल एरिया थिला मल्टीप्लाई कर दो 1 थिला, फाइनली का पड़ेगा तो 4 टाइम्स हेगला. That's it. Option B is the answer. Next question, number 16. At what rate of compound interest per annum will a sum of rupees 1200 becomes rupees 1348.32 in 2 years? Rate percent पचार जे compound interest रे तो हम जान चे formula compound interest rate percent shortcut use करिवा. Rate percent in compound interest in 2 years amount by principal रो square root कर दो. So इटे amount कितना ची ना 1348.32 by principal अच्छी 1200 square root, that is equal cancel करो आसिबो 106 by 100. That means first year ऊपर ऐसे तो first year means principal थिला 100 गोटे वर्ष बढ़ी गई 106. That means कितने परसेंट बढ़ी ची 6%. That's why answer is coming 6%. So option is first option. Next question, number 17. Goes, a tank can fill in 10 hours. After a leak its bottom, it takes 12 hours to fill the tank. So what is the time required by the leak to empty the full tank? Only leak. So first combine by LCM neo. So suppose tank A initially fills a tank in 10 hours. But A plus leak से tank टाको fill करचंदी 12 hours. LCM ने क्या कहता है 60 आलो 6 याला 5. तर हम बताएंगे एनालिसिस करी परिबा 6 रे कोन एटा लीक 6 रे कोन माइनस कले 5 हबो. दैट्स व्हाई दैट इज द लीक एफिशिएंसी. तो लीक एफिशिएंसी -1 एंड अलोन लीक एम्प्टी करियो केते ना 60 by 1 and that is equal to 60 hours. 60 hours is the answer. The option is fourth option, D is the answer. Next question, number 18. clocks. A clock is set at 4 a.m. It loses 16 minutes in 24 hours. So what will be the correct time when the clock indicates 9 p.m. on the 4th day? So it is a slow watch. A clock is set at 4 a.m. loses 16 minutes in 24 hours. Tala ko ratio kariba 24 hours means 24 into 60 minute re lose करुची 16 minutes 4 काट दियो 4 4 जा 4 15 जा 4 काट दियो 6 तो कहीं पारी 1590 मिनिट रे लूज करुची 1 minute that means the actual time 90 minute हबो ताले wrong time हबो 89 minute तमे एटा wrong time कहि परिबी एटा wrong time and एटा होची actual time एटा actual time ताले तेरे wrong time देखुची 89 minute सेते बेले actual time हैला 90 minute so what is the time gap जेतले correct हैला clock 4 am and next kuchi when the clock indicates that wrong watch re indicate kuchi 9 pm on the 4th day then what is the gap between this 4 am to 9 pm on the 4th day keta batale third day pon keta ho 24 into 4 24 into 3 24 3 62 होगा 24 3 62 प्लस को बंद पड़ेगा 4 am बंद पड़ेगा 4 am रो 4th रे आसी गला 9 pm पन जीवा तो 4 am रो 4 pm 12 घंटा प्लस 4 pm रो 9 pm 5 घंटा तो दैट इज 62 प्लस 70 89 आवर ताले 4 am रो 9 pm on the 4th day ड्यूरेशन ला 89 आवर दैट इज रॉन्ग टाइम रे ता माने जदी 89 आवर रॉन्ग टाइम देखैबो ताले 1 hour रे that is this is 90 by 89 and that is sorry so this देखैबो into 89 that is equal to 90 घंटा ताले 90 घंटा को टाइम रो एक्चुअल टाइम रो that is 4 am सेटिंग हेजी तो 90 hour plus 4 am सेठी करबिरा 24 3 62 3 दिन पड़ै जीवो 4 am आसी गला 62 ला 18 घंटा हेले 4 am 4 pm 12 घंटा पड़े गला और लगते 6 घंटा 4 pm रु 6 मिसे दियो 4 pm plus 6 hour and that become 10 pm is the actual time the option is 10 pm the option is B. That means wrong time देखो जी 9 pm on the 4th day so answer would be correct time that is निश्चित तो अधिक आबो that is 10 pm where is a loose clock next question jiba number 19 what is the value of 25.732 square minus 15.732 square so to approach these questions I mean because जब हम नॉर्मल स्क्वायर बाय करिया टाइम लगो तो हम तब कोन करिवा दैट इज किछ अलजेब्रिक आइडेंटिटी पकेबा a स्क्वायर माइनस b स्क्वायर पकेबा तो a स्क्वायर माइनस b स्क्वायर फार्मूला a plus b a स्क्वायर माइनस b फार्मूला a plus b into a minus b ए फार्मूला पकेले सहज ऑफ कैलकुलेशंस सो दैट इज इक्वल टू a plus b लगते 2 2 4 3 3 6 7 7 14 15 25 40 एक 41 इंटू ए माइनस भी कितना 25 रु 15 गले 10 टाइम मल्टीप्लाई कर देले 414.64 द आंसर द ऑप्शन इज फर्स्ट ऑप्शन नेक्स्ट नंबर 20 the value of 256 to the power 0.16 and into 256 to the power 0.09 जदि बेस समान अछि हम जानछे पावर एडिशन हे जो तला को सिंबल लिखि परिबा दैट इज इक्वल टू 256 to the power 0.16 plus 0.09 so that is equal to 256 to the power 0.25 0.25 de 1 by 4 means fourth root. That become 4 to the power 4 into 1 by 4. So answer is coming 4. The option is coming D. Next question number 21. Come 21 questions. Let x by y diachi, x by y that is equal to 4 by 7, y by z is given that is equal to 9 by 7, 4 by 7, 9 by 7, x बास्तरी दियाइछि तो x by y दियाइछि, y by z दियाइछि तो x is to y is to z पाई जिबा रेशियो प्रोपोर्शन यूज करले this into this, this into this, this into this 9 36 रेशियो 9 63 रेशियो 49 ना एक यदि 72 हम x 36 पार्ट यदि 72 ताले 1 पार्ट वैल्यू केते 1 पार्ट ला 2 काट देले 1 पार्ट अब 2 1 पार्ट 2 हैला व्हाट इज z 49 पार्ट पचारछि तो 49 पार्ट इक्वल टू 98. So option is coming. First option is the answer, option A. Next question 22. What is 90% of 90%? 90% of 90% खाली मल्टीप्लाई करिबा 90% हला 9 by 10 also 90% 9 by 10 that become 81 by 100. 0.81 लिख परिबा percentage form अछि 81%. So option is second option B. Next question number 23. The average of Swan's mark in 6 subjects 74. ताले सम केते बताले 6 into 74 724 742 43 44. An average of 5 subjects is 70. So 5 into 70 0 735 minus कर दो. That is the mark obtained in the 6th subject. 4 minus 0 is 4. 19 minus 5 is 9. So answer is going to be 94. The option is first option. Next question 24. Question goes, if the total ages of Iqbal and Shikhar is 12 years more than total age of Shikhar and Charu. Iqbal and Shikhar 12 years more than Shikhar and Charu, that is 12. Shikhar cancel, so difference between Iqbal and Charu would be 12 years. Then Charu is how many years younger than Iqbal? The option is 12 years. The option is first. Second option B is the answer. Next question. (22). A father is twice as old as his daughter. If 20 years ago the age of the father was 10 times the age of the daughter, then what is the present age of the father? ଆମେ ରେସିଓ ଦେଇ परिबा क्रॉस प्रोडक्ट पकई परिबा एठी एज प्रॉब्लम रे तो रेशियो देछि फादर इज ट्वाइस as old as daughter, तो father is to daughter 2:1. 20 years ago the age of the father was 10 times than daughter. 20 years ago माने ये 20 माइनस पछो जीवो ये मतलब 20 years पछो जी ताले क्रॉस प्रोडक्ट पकेले 2 part and 20 part डिफरेंस केतला 10 part 10 into 1 2 into 1 डिफरेंस वाला 8 part. So 8 part वैल्यू केता was डाली this into this minus this into this, so 10 minus 1 नहीं जाओ that is 9 into 20 वाला केते 180. तो 20 into 9 यदि 180 हला ताले पचारची what is the present age of the father is present 2 part, तो 2 part वैल्यू केता बताले 8 part यदि 180 ताले 2 part वैल्यू अगु 4 डिवाइड करले 2 part बारिबा अगु 4 डिवाइड कर दियो 180 by 4 4 4 16 17 18 45 answer. So option is coming B. Next question 26. If Suresh borrows rupees 36,000 from Mahesh at the rate of 6% simple interest, then what is the total amount that Suresh has to pay at the end of 4 years? So question of simple interest, हम जानते हैं simple interest rate, यदि 4% 6% rate रे that is investment है 4 वर्ष को दबो 24%, ताले 6% means 6/100. काटी छोट करि परिबा को बार न काटले चला बेटर आबो सेटा दरकार 6/100 4 वर्ष रे 24 दबा इंटरेस्ट अमाउंट हबो 124 100 पार्ट दे हम 36000 तर 1 पार्ट केता हबो 360 अमाउंट बजार जी सॉरी द अमाउंट 124 पार्ट अमाउंट 124 into 360 दिस आंसर 0 624 लास्ट को 40 आसीबो गोटे ऑप्शन अछि दैट्स व्हाई 44640 ऑप्शन इज डी कैलकुलेशन में आवश्यकता नहीं लास्ट टू ऑप्शन देखि दो 40 आंसर आछि एंड दैट इज आंसर नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन 27 what is the interest on rupees 2500 for 2 years at rate of 4% compound interest per annum. तो what is the interest हम पचार जी तो प्रिंसिपल दे जी 2500 2 years 4% compound interest हम 2 years हम जानते that is compound interest about 2a plus b 2 into a भाग कर दियो 2500 रो 4% केता हो 100 प्लस 100 रो 4% केता हो that is 4 आंसर 200 plus 4 is coming 200. The option is third option. So C is the answer. Next question 28. P, Q and R are partners. They have invested rupees 35,000, 25,000, 10,000 respectively. So for the same period, if the time period समान कोई same period means time period is same. So if the total profit is 18,000, then what is the profit of P? ताले investment ratio ताले कौन बताले? 0.3 is to 25 is to 10. 0.3 is to 25 is to 10. Further cancel कर दियो. 5 7 जा 5 5 जा 5 2. मिसे दियो 7 5 से 12 12 2 14 तो 14 पार्ट जब दिया 7 5 12 2 14 5 कर ले 5 7 35 5 25 5 10 7 5 12 2 14 35,000 25,000 10,000 ठीक है तो शेयर ऑफ पी पचारची तो शेयर ऑफ पी विल बी हाउ मच 14 पार्ट जदी हला 18,000 कर 1 पार्ट अब केते ना 18,000 बाय 14 शेयर ऑफ पी अब 7 तो पी नब 7 पार्ट तो 18,000 बाय 14 into 7 7 2 कैंसिल फिर काट लेना आंसर इज कमिंग 9,000 9,000 option second option is the answer. Next question number 29. A pipe can fill a tank in 6 hours and another pipe empty in 12 hours. Pipe A 6 hours, pipe B refill करुची empty करुची 12 hours. LCM ले जाओ 12 2 it is -1. Question is if both the pipes are opened at the same time, then in how many hours the tank can be filled? So together efficiency should be how much? Together efficiency will be 2 minus 1 that is 1. So tank will taken 12 by 1. So that becomes 12 hours. Option is C. Next question number that is 30. A shopkeeper sold an article for rupees 2500. Selling price दिया. If the cost price of article is 2000, what is the profit percentage? Simple question. Profit is 500. 500 2000 कितना percentage? 500 by 2000 into 100. 1 by 4. 1 by 4 25%. 1 by 4 that is 25%. Option is coming D. Next question 31. A running man crosses a bridge of length 500 meters in 4 minutes. What's the speed of the man? And the speed equal distance by time. So speed that is distance is 500 meters. So speed is equal to 500 meters by 4 मिनट को सेकेंड कर दियो 4 इंटू 60 ये ला मीटर पर सेकेंड तब आवर करिबा किलोमीटर पर आवर 18 बाय 5 5 काट दियो 100 6 कर दियो 10 36 18 10 0 काट दियो 2 कर दियो 2 2 4 2 5 तो 5 into 3 लगते 15 by 2 and that is 7.5 kilometer per hour. Option is third option C the answer. Next question number 32. Again train problem. A train is moving at a speed of 90 km per hour, crosses a pole in 6 seconds. What is the length of train? Again distance for that. हम जानते distance equal to speed into time. Speed दिया है 90 km per hour. मीटर ऑप्शन अच्छी तो 5 by 10 कर दियो and time दिया है कितने 6 seconds. 6 3 18 तीन कर दिया 30 तो 30 into 5 150 meters. The option is first option A is the answer. Next question जब 33. P, Q and R, 3 persons can do a job in 10, 20, 40 days respectively. In how many days P can complete the job if assisted by Q and R on the every third day? So it is a question from alternate work. So sequence कौन अच्छी? First 2 days P करिबो, P can complete the job if he is assisted by Q and R in the every third day. That means first 2 days P will do alone. Next third days P plus Q plus R. So sequence find out करो. So P रो 10, Q 20, R 40. LCM 40. Efficiency of P हला 4. Efficiency of Q हला 2. R हला that is 1. तो sequence कौन हला? First day P करिबो. Second day also P करिबो. Third day that is P plus Q plus R. तो efficiency R हला 4. R efficiency मध्य 4. R efficiency में सीधे ले 4 2 6 1 7. 7 ताले 1 कंप्लीट साइकिल रे काम केता होची 4 4 8 7 15 टा काम होची काम केता होची 40 ताले नंबर ऑफ साइकिल केता हो 40 by 15 2 cycles means how many days? 1 cycle 3 days. So 2 cycle 6 days plus केते काम सरला 15 दिन 30 काम सरला जे 30 काम सर 10 टा काम अछि नेक्स्ट क्यू बनाबो बी 4 टा काम करिवो 1 days नबो again next day P आउ 4 3 4 टा काम करिवो 8 टा काम सरी गला आउ अछि 2 टा काम ताकू P plus Q plus R करिवे that is 2 by 7. तो आंसर होला 2 by 7. This is the answer. So 6 7 8 8 whole 2 by 7 is the right answer. Approximate questions नहीं 9 days अच्छी तो 8 whole 2 by 7 को 9 days नहीं परिवार नहीं तो ऑप्शन रॉन्ग अच्छी तो in this case it option wrong तो right answer should be 8 whole 2 by 7 days. This is the right answer. So this is a wrong option. So this is the right answer for this. Next question, that is 34. A 20 liters of mixture contains 20% alcohol and 70% water. amount बाहर कर दियो. What is if 5 liters of water added to the mixture? ताले 20 liters से यदि 20% alcohol, this is alcohol, this is water. 20% alcohol and 70% water. ताले कितने amount होगा? 20 liters 4 liter होगा ताले 20% alcohol, 70% water मिसिक तो 90% हो ची 100% तो नहीं 30% wrong written this is 30% 70% 100% आ दरकार this is 30%. So 30% रे this quantity will be changed. So in 20 liters mixture 30% alcohol, that means 6 liters alcohol and 14 liter that is water. 5 liters of water is added. Water एटा 5 liter addition होला तो water एला कितने 19 liters and quantity कितने गला दाले 19 plus 6 25 liters. So what is the percentage of alcohol 6 part in the new mixture ताले 6 by 25 into 100 25 चौ 100 है that becomes 24%. Answer is option C is the answer. Next question 35. Question goes: a man rows downstream at 20 km per hour. Downstream means A plus B. A plus B 20 km per hour दिया है. And rows upstream 15 km per hour. A minus B 15 km per hour. What is the speed of man he row in the still water? A बजाज. यह was sum by 2 20 plus 15 by 2 35 by 2 and that answer is coming 70.5. Option is first option is answer. Next question 36. Is DI part 36 through 40. Let us read the questions. Consider the following table and answer the questions based on the data given in the table. Expenditure of a company in lakhs of rupees per annum over the years. Expenditure various at the age. The expenditure दिया in various heads salary दिया है, fuel and transport दिया है, bonus दिया है, interest of loan दिया है and taxes दिया है. First question पढ़ो. What is the average amount of interest on loans per annum which the company had to pay during the period 98 to 2002? पूरा whole year. What is the average amount of interest? तो हमने total interest by number of interest 1 2 3 4 5. So total interest को count करें. Total interest आते कितने 183.3. तो आंसर 183.3 लाख आसो एंड नंबर ऑफ इंटरेस्ट है 1 2 3 4 5 5 डिवाइड करो तो 5 3 15 16 17 18 33 530 33 530 एंड 530 36.66 लाख. तो ऑप्शन इज योर डी. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन नंबर 37. Based on same data, the total amount of bonus paid by the company during the given period is approximately, total bonus is approximately what percentage of the total amount of salary paid during the period? So total bonus acquire करो. Total bonus को acquire करें हम पाइबा that is 16 lakhs and salary paid acquire करें that is equal to 170 1710 1710. then हम बता दी 16 1710 रो कितने परसेंट 1710 into 1 जो कैंसिल हो तो 160 by 171. तो that is 1 plus तो हबनी 1 लेस हब 0.7 बहुत लेस ही जाउछ 1.25 मोर ही जाउछ 1.5 मोर ही जाउछ तो अप्रोक्सीमेटली 1.5 अप्रोक्स अछि आंसर अप्रोक्सीमेटली अछि इबा अप्रोक्सीमेटली अछि तो आंसर इज कमिंग ऑप्शन बी इज द आंसर नेक्स्ट केते आसीबो दैट इज इक्वल डिवाइड करले 0.935 0.9 it is approximate to 1 so you can say it is option B is the answer. Next question number 38 on same data. Total expenditure on all these items in 98 ताने एमिति विषय पड़िबो 98 total expenditure and it is sum कले आसी कते that is 15 sum कले आसी जिवो that is 495.4 98 total expenditure this plus this plus this plus this plus this 490.54 was approximately what percentage of the total expenditure on all items in 2002 आपको मिसेव पड़िबो so 2002 रे 624.36 तो परसेंटेज बाय this into 100 approximately ऐसे कहते हो that is 79.34 so that is close to 79%. That's the option is D. Next question 39 based upon same data what is the total expenditure of the company over all these items during the year 2000 रो सब जगह पचाची सम ये सम पचाची so what is the total expenditure of the company over all these items during year 2000 sum आपको सम करो that is 324 plus 101 3.84 और सम पहले आंसर पाइबा 544.4 544.44 the option is option A. Next question number 40 what is the difference between the total expenditure on fuel and transport आपको सम करो कार on of all the years and total expenditure on taxes for all the years तो fuel and transport को सम करिवो and taxes में ताको सम करिवो तो fuel and transport सम कले आंसर लगते हैं 5866 and the taxes को सम करिया आंसर 362 तो माइनस करवा आंसर हो 586 minus 362 6 minus 2 ala 4 6 8 minus 6 ala 2 5 minus 3 ala 2 224 lakhs option of A first option answer A option is A so ithala regarding 36 to 40 now the next day jiba 40 to 45 direction kon goji 41 to 45 the following line graph giving the ratio of amounts of imports by company to amounts export ratio of imports by exports ये ratio दिया है ऊपरटा imports तलटा exports imports to the company of amounts of exports from the company over the period 95 to 2001 and on the basis of data given the graph answer the following questions 41 questions if the imports in 1998 तो 98 रो रेशियो फास्ट कर दियो 98 रो लाइटा 1.25 kg तो रेशियो कर देले केता हो 125 by 100 and that is equal to 5/4 if the imports in 98 is 250 crore तो import देइची माने एट देइची एटा 250 crore तो 5 पार्ट जे 250 ला 1 पार्ट केता हो 50 ताले एक्सपोर्ट टा केता बताले 200 in the year 98 and 99 taken together was 500 crore export मिसेक देछ और 99 रे भाग दोची 99 रो रेशियो केता हो 99 रे रेशियो अछि केते 1.4 तो 1.4 माने 14/10 बात तक लिख परबी 7/5 ताले जदी दीटा अगर एक्सपोर्ट मिसिग्री दीटा कर 98 and 99 रो दैट इज एक्सपोर्ट मिसिग्री जी 500 एंड केवल 98 इज 200 ताले 99 रो 300 ताले 5 पार्ट जो 300 वाला ताले 1 पार्ट केता 60 एंड 7 पार्ट केता ताले 420 पचार कौन क्वेश्चन आमको व्हाट इज द इंपोर्ट्स इन 99 इंपोर्ट पचार तो आंसर ला 420 crore तो ऑप्शन इज डी नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन नंबर 42 in which year the ratio of imports to exports of the company was the least ratio दीजिए हम कह that is company ratio दीजिए import by export को वर्ष that is ratio of imports to exports ratio is the least तो देखो list 0.35 mention अच्छी clear visibility is also 1997 तो option is C. Next question 43 what is the percentage increase in imports from 97 to 98 97 थला 0.35 but the percentage increase in imports पाई परिबा नहीं because it is ratio दिया है import to export तो हमें particularly from this ratio import रा increase and decrease हम पाई परिबा नहीं option is coming or D data inadequate. Next question number 44 if the imports of the company 96 was 272 96 बार कर दियो 96 रे केते होची 96 रेशियो को 96 रे 0.85 और 85 बाय 100 5 रे काट दियो 70 बाय 20 एंड इंपोर्ट को 272 इंपोर्ट माने एटा 70 पार्ट वाला 272 वन पार्ट केते काट दियो 70 के 70 1700 102 16 तो एटा केते होताले 320 50 जगह क्वेश्चन हाउ मच वाज द एक्सपोर्ट्स फ्रॉम द कंपनी 96 तो एक्सपोर्ट 320 crore हबो दैट्स ऑप्शन इज बी इज आंसर. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन 45 in how many of the given years the exports more than the imports रेशियो कौन दीजिए हमको रेशियो दीजिए import by export and how many given years export टा more than imports ताले यदि एटा आटो अधिक आबो पॉइंट समथिंग आसियो देखो पॉइंट समथिंग केते अछि ये गोटे पॉइंट अछि ये गोटे पॉइंट अछि ये गोटे पॉइंट अछि ये तीनटा आइट गोटे पॉइंट अछि वन अबव हेले import greater than export one less हेले import export greater than import सेटा पदर हमको export more than import so point थिवा नंबर 1 2 3 4 आंसर इज कमिंग 4 ऑप्शन इज कमिंग डी. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन नेक्स्ट दिया जिबा directions total number of employees in different departments and organization and percentage of females and males different organizations data missing अछि data part other अछि I think next question देखिबा अछि कि available ना available नाही okay एटा हम ओटे फिगर ड्रा करबा बिकॉज़ अदरवाइज क्लियर क्लारिटी आसीबनी 46 रु 50 आ ओटे अछि पाई चार्ट अछि तो पाई चार्ट रे नंबर ऑफ पर्सन्स प्रेजेंट अछंती प्रथम मार्केटिंग 24% अकाउंट्स 16% प्रोडक्शन 35% HR 5% out IT 20% एटा अछि सो वेरियस सेक्टर रे एति पॉपुलेशन काम करछंती एंड टोटल पॉपुलेशन इज गिवन केते हाउ मच 800 डाटा काय टोटल देछि टोटल नंबर ऑफ एम्प्लॉइज 800 टोटल एम्प्लॉइज 800 ताले 1% केता बताले 8 ताले समस्त नंबर पाई जिबा एठी केते अछंती 832 आदमे 16 17 992 जन अछंती एतने 16 * 8 है 848 8 8 9 10 11 12 128 एटला 35 * 8 है 8 40 8 24
24 4 28 एंड एला 8 40 एंड इट एला 8 2 16 60 ये एला रेस्पेक्टिव नंबर ऑफ दैट इज पर्सन्स जो तरे परसेंटेज ऑफ फीमेल दिया छी ओ आदर लिखाई जरटी
डिपार्टमेंट टोटल नंबर ऑफ एम्प्लॉइज
सॉरी अलग डाटा अछि ओके गो बाय क्वेश्चन डायरेक्ट क्वेश्चन नंबर 46 what is the total number of employees in all the departments together addition कर दियो 840 220 900 360 450 540
सो एडिशन कले आंसर आसीबो केते दैट इज 3310
ऑप्शन ए नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन
what is the ratio of the number of females in production department to the number of females in marketing department
females दीटा के females पचार females in production एतरे 900 रे 23% बा 9 into 23 लिख पारिबी 9 into 23 by females in marketing 450 रो 44% 450 रो 44% ऊपर लगे दो व्हाट इज योर कैंसिल 9 काट दियो 5 5 काट दियो 10 2 काट दियो 22 23 by 22 is the answer option is B next question what is the total number of males in IT and customer services department together IT 840 रो 45% हम फॉर्मूला मार्क कर परिबा 840 रो मेल्स 55% 840 रो 55% 50% केते आधा हेले 200 220 प्लस 5% जे 10% 84 हला ताले 5% आबो तार आधा 208 234 ये हला दैट इज इन आईटी एंड आउट बजे कस्टमर सर्विस प्लस कस्टमर सर्विस है दिस इज 540 60% 10% 54 6 गुणा कर दियो 6 24 6 5 30 30 2 32 एडिशन कर देले 4 2 6 2 4 2 6 2 8 एंड 3 3 2 5 586 586 पूरे बोलो देखो 55% मेल्स total number of males in the IT and customer service department together 55% 60% 55% ला 50% आधा 208 है सॉरी এটা सम बोले it is 4 तले 4 ले 4 3 7 ऐसे जीवो 786 this is 7 तो ऑप्शन इज 786 ऑप्शन डी
48 ऑप्शन इज डी
नेक्स्ट 49 49 what is the ratio of the number of females in the HR and accounts departments together to the number of males in the HR and accounts department together first बात कर दियो females in HR and accounts department together HR एतो अछि HR हला female 65% तो केता बताले 60% ला 3600 636 36 18 19 पड़े कोई 216 प्लस 5% 36 रो आधा 18 प्लस yeah that is females in HR second कहला females in accounts females 35% of 220 30% के दला 66 10% 22 ले 5% of 11 एतिक बाय to the number of males in HR and accounts similarly males opposite habo 216 अछि HR रे males 65% 35% हबो ताले 318 339 के 10 108 प्लस 36 रो आधा 18 प्लस similarly accounts रे males 65% ताले 6 दिन 12 के 13 132 प्लस 5% आधा 11 अगर रेशियो करिबा 6 के 7 8 15 15 से 21 2 2 के 3 6 3 9 के 10 10 के 11 एंड 2 1 3 311 पाए गोटे ऑप्शन सैटिस्फाई करछि 269 सो इज आंसर ऑप्शन इज बी नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन फॉर 50 the total number of employees in HR department forms HR means 360 forms what percentage of the total number of employees in the accounts department account लगते 220 into 100 कर दे परियो 1010 22 काटले 11 22 काटले 10 0 530 5 15 3 18 1800 को 11 डिवाइड कर ले 11 के 11 70 1166 164 is coming. The option is A. 50 option is A. Next question. This DI. Two DIs are given. One is table chart and one is pie chart. Combination of both charts. Total number of employees given 800. So 1% के तब 8. तो आधे कितना जल्दी 24 इंटू 8 है 832. अलग अलग 832 8 में 16 17 19 लाइक दिस 192 भाग करि परिबा अकाउंट भाग करि परिबा प्रोडक्शन भाग करि परिबा एचआर भाग करि परिबा 80 भाग करि परिबा कम टू क्वेश्चन 51 देयर इज ए द 51 what is the percentage of females working in IT department compared to the total number of employees working in the organization आईटी रे फीमेल एम्प्लॉय भाग करिबा आईटी केते 20% मींस पर्सन 800 रा 20% लगते 160 तो 160 जन रे तो आईटी रे यदि नंबर ऑफ मेल्स 74 तो फीमेल से 160 माइनस 74 10 माइनस 6 ला 4 एंड दैट इज 15 7 गला 8 84 जन तारे 84 जन 800 रा केते परसेंटेज into 100 कर दिया those you cancel 8 कर दिले 4 दिन 8 है 4 दिन 8 4 21 दूर कर दिया 10.5 10.84 बाय 800 8 कर ले 4 कर ले 4 दिन 8 4 दिन 8 4 के 4 21 21 को 2 डिवाइड कर ले 10 दिन 20 10.5%. Oh sorry, it is 86 such. 86. तो 86 रे आंसर आसी होची कते 10.75. Approximately आसी 10.75%. The option is this. Next question. The ratio of the number of females working in HR department. Female in HR. And number of employees working in HR. तो फीमेल इन एचआर केते बताले एचआर नंबर केते जनी 5% माने 5 40 इति 40 जन अछन 40 जन रु जदी मेल सेबे दैट इज 12 तो फीमेल केते हेबे दैट इज 28 ताले 28 इज व्हाट इज रेशियो ऑफ टोटल पर्सन्स एम्प्लॉइज इन एचआर माने 40 ताले 4 काटा 7 4 काटले 10 7:10 ऑप्शन इज सी. Next question number 53. What is the ratio of the number of males in the marketing department to the number of females working in that department? Marketing ro ratio between that is females and the males and females. So first males दिए marketing रे 165 तो 165 by remaining persons marketing केता अछंती 24 into 8 हेले 832 3 8 दिन 16 792 तो 192 जो टोटल हेले 165 माइनस कले दैट इज 12 minus 5 over 7 and that is 18 16 माइनस दैट इज 27 तो 165 by 27 5 1 6 6 12 2 3 घटिबो 3 9 27 3 5 15 55:9 तो ऑप्शन इज डी. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन 54. The percentage of number of male employees working in the accounts department to the total number of employees working in the same department. So accounts departments male employees working in the account department. Account ro male already दिया दिया ना बे. Is what percentage of total number of employees account रे. तो account पाई चार पाइबो. What is the total accounts? Account ला कितने 16%. 16 into 8 into 100. चार चौ 16 चार काटले 25 तो 25 3 75 7 25 ना 225 25 से 232 2328 बाय 832 तो पाखापाखि 8 3 24 8 ରୁ लेस आसी 54 80% आसुनी 80 लेस अछि 72.65 72.65%. ये ऑप्शन रॉन्ग अच्छी दिस इज रॉन्ग ऑप्शन. करेक्ट आंसर 72.65%. 54 55 हाउ मेनी फीमेल एम्प्लॉइज आर देयर इन द ऑर्गेनाइजेशन. तो सब जा मिसाई पड़िबो. रेडी मेल दिया छि समस्त माइनस करिवो. तो दैट आंसर इज कमिंग एट 211. ये आंसर भी रॉन्ग अछि. रॉन्ग आंसर इट. So answer should be 211. So none the options it is also wrong. Next question. Question number 56 to 60. Bar chart again. On the basis of the data given the bar graph, answer the questions given below. Export of the pulse in crores and from year 2001 to 2007. Question is how many years was the export above the average? Average means sum कर दो. This plus this plus this plus this plus this plus this plus this sum 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 डिवाइड करिबा. सम आसला केते सम इज गिवन सब जगह एडिशन करले आंसर पाइबा सम इज 61.1. तो 61.1 को 7 डिवाइड करले केते करोड़ हबो 7 7 7 56 51 49 पाखापाखि 8.7 crores. ये ला एवरेज. और क्वेश्चन आसो क्वेश्चन को इन हाउ मेनी इयर्स वाज द एक्सपोर्ट अबव द एवरेज. 8.7 अधिक कितना अछि 1 2 3 4. तो ऑप्शन इज ऑप्शन ए. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. In how many years was the export above the average for the given period? Galaida. What is the percentage increase export 6 to 7? 6 rate 9.5 thila, 7 11.4. What difference है 11.4 minus 9.5 by 9.5 200. No 1.9 by 9.5 into 100. 19 95 5 काटले 20 20%. तो ऑप्शन इज सी. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. What is the average export of pulse for the given period? Already average बातिला 8.73 crores. This answer 8.73. Option question first of question average बाहर जाइए से average पके दवा 8.73 crores. Next question number 59. In which of the following pairs of years was the average export of pulse around 9 crore? यदि average 9 crore हबो ताले सम केता हबो दीटा ईयर देजी 18 crore हबो. तो पाखापाखि 18 crore कार कार अछि 5 और 6 5 6 रो के सम केता अछि 8 5 13 ये 20 हे जाउछि हबनी एटा पाखापाखि 20 crore हे जाउछि. And 3 and 4 हेले 8 9 17 and 17 7 1 8 8 16 17 17.7. हाँ पाखापाखि नियरेस्ट आसुछि हे पारे. 4 and 5 अधिका क्लोजेस्ट के अछि 4 and 5 एटा हम नहीं 19 एटा 20 आगे भी जाउछ 8 9 17 एंड 9 के 10 10 20 20.7 ए भाबने एंड 2 and 3 both less than भाबने आंसर ला ऑप्शन सी दैट इज 17.7 crore 15. Next question 60. What is the ratio of export of ball in 4 to that 5? खाली रेशियो करिबा 4 to 5 9.9 by 10.8 9 कटुची 11 by 12 तो 11 ला 11 is to 12 option B. Right. So this was the discussion and the questions was easy questions. You can solve it within less time. Thank you all of you.